So this morning I was setting up my Sony A7 III because I wanted to use the remote function in Imaging Edge Desktop. I kind of forgot how it all worked, but after a bit of digging through the menus and a couple of trial and error moments, I got it figured out. What is Imaging Edge? Well, Imaging Edge, it's Sony's official software that lets you control your camera directly from your computer. It's super handy when you're filming alone or doing desk setups. The part I'm using is called Remote, and it gives you live view, full camera control, and the ability to change settings or trigger the shutter all from your screen. Now, to get it working, you go into the menu on your camera and head to the setup menu. That's the one with the suitcase icon. Then you scroll to the page where it says PC Fernbedienung. That's PC remote in German, and turn it on. Once that's set, you just connect your camera to your computer via USB. Launch Imaging Edge Desktop. Click on the Remote app and you're good to go. It connects right away and you can see everything live. Now, this is a funny little moment. While I was reading off this quick one-page cheat sheet that ChatGPT helped me to make, I kept stumbling over the words one-page sheet. In German, sheet. Well, that's what I'm not talking about. It's called this one-page cheat sheet. You see? It's really not easy because it almost sounds the same. Cheat sheet. It sounds simple, but for some reasons my tongue just got totally tangled up trying to say it out loud. It feels kind of awkward, right?